Well, nice, huh?
Which I know it's going to be like a fire hydrant you unlock it. Can't believe it's filled up this bag. A lot of water, boys. Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's adventure, we have a broken curb stop at the curb. Going to dig up the street, put a new curb stop in, make an attempt at connecting to the existing water service, which is never a good idea, but that's what the homeowner wants to do. We're going to get the shots. Wish us luck. We'll see you when we get there. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. Bam.
Yeah, Joey texted me then. I just sent him Dave's number.
Alright, good. I texted you where you can do it. Pick him up too. Dave's number.
Concrete guy down there working himself. He's got wire. Yep.
Where's John when you need him? The bolt cutters.
That's going to treat you to a nice F-150 pickup. I've been trying that with the wife. She said the tax write-offs are done.
That's done. It's charged on this side. I smell gas. There it is.
Money shot.
There it is.
Duct tape.
Somewhere
I'm gonna grab that.
over the rainbow.
Oh, grab me a curb cock from Chad. Bring it out for me. It's in good shape. Curb cock.
Right behind it. That was a hole in the pipe.
Hey.
That's the
Nice little, you want it? You want it? Hey, CTS, correct? Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, Dave doing a clutch.
Dave's giving me a clutch coffee right now. You chopped off Joey. Good night.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
I wasn't paying. It hit,
Nope.
it hit my water meter then.
Nope, it's before the meter.
Alright, so the meter's underneath.
Yeah. All Ventnor. Most of them are all in Ventnor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to start remembering stuff like that.
Yeah, baby.
I couldn't. I should have asked. I couldn't really find it. Yeah, you got a secret spot. It's not in your tool bag.
It might be a piece of my tool bag.
I have to take a look at it. Yeah, you wrote down, I mean, there's no rush right there, but if we don't buy, I'm here, you know, Alright, thanks, folks.
You can do it.
Right on it.
Came right out.
Sit it.
Yeah, baby.
Come on up.
Get that camera in here, son.
No, I was good. How you doing there, Chuckles?
Make it happen, Captain.
What I like to hear.
I can't believe it. You got a broken sewer line too here.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Hate when that happens. Nothing the money won't fix.
I got some gloves over here, fellas.
You guys need some rubber gloves?
Good.
One hand washes the other. Together they wash your face.
They're coming in from under you, just so you know, CB.
What?
They're about sneaking from under you.
Up the butt.
Uh-huh.
Hold on. I might as well make that connection. Here we go, baby.
Coming through.
Talk to me, Daddy.
Yeah, that timing. Hold on.
I'm gonna put it right in. Give me some more.
Here, 45 minutes.
I'm gonna make the connection. Is that cool? Yeah.
Thank you, Mary.
How you doing?
Well, watch out.
Oh, I can't believe the sewer's broken too.
Somewhere's it's out in the street there somewhere.
They don't care.
See, the water works. It's all bad.
All right, man.
All good?
Yes, sir. I'll put some pressure on this shit.
Just sit down there.
All right, make sure you get the shot.
Yeah, you're live. Should I get some of that?
50s.
I'm just, I like that little sleeve, baby. I like that. Uh-huh. See? I'm learning some shit over here. So I'm not gonna let go until I get mine some shit.
Did they pull out?
Yeah. I'd rather have a little tension on it, you know
Chuck,
what I
I'm
mean?
going to leave you a special tool. You're going to make the design after we finish it in concrete to make it look like that. Just use your imagination.
Sculpting knife.
Sculpting knife. Yeah, it's going to be for that.
I can't believe we're headed this main avenue into this.
It's not that bad though. It's like 3.5 feet or something.
Yeah.
Not 30.
Nah, I think it was 3.5, like 40 inches. Definitely a pump, but he should be in and out of there by 4.
And go find a hose bib.
Hose.
And see if you can find a main valve coming in her house and make sure everything's off. Okay? We got it going on.
yeah, lifetime warranty on it.
Go on now.
It's locked it.
Chuck, you ready for water?
Thank you, Dave. Yeah.
Fly all over.
Come on. Well, I open it. It's broken. Should we open it?
Ready now.
Yeah, something.
Oh, right here. Side snaps. Give me something, baby.
It's going to get some pecs. Nice.
Is that a jewelry kit?
I didn't even use these. Brand new.
Ah, you brought the heavy hitters in now to get it done, huh, Chuck?
Chuck, do you want that? Do you want the
Just
Milwaukee automatic one?
can't. Got to go underneath.
Nah. I gotta do it the hard way. Is this a Chinese side?
That's American.
I'm done.
I'm sweating. It's a little hot in the hole here. What the fuck's going on here?
10 millimeter.
That's what all the ones are in a Honda motor.
Yeah.
10.
Really?
motor?
Wow.
Must have a short guy that makes
Been
10
bad morning so
millimeters.
far. Alright, that was counting it.
Yes, thank you, man. Is that you or you, Dave? Is that you? I miss you.
Chuck, you keep doing this stuff without me. I thought we were the dream team.
It wasn't the plan, Dave.
You were here mentally though.
I was here in
He
spirit.
said what? He kept saying, Dave, watch what I'm doing. He said Ed's going to show you.
He's a restricted free agent when it comes to the crew. He's here, but
Yeah.
you got to battle to get him.
You guys are pretty funny. I'm going to go throw a toilet in.
Alright.
Call me if you need me, Chuck.
Dave. Yes, sir. Would you like to have Joe with you?
I can take her if you want.
Yeah.
We're good. Okay. We're going to put a toilet in?
You would think. Yeah, thank you. That's a good idea. My car just broke down. I got to hurry up. What else can I take now?
Chuck, watch your arm on that wire sticking out, your left arm.
You running water? Yeah. All right, let it run.
That's it.
I heard you.
Think you're too easy.
All right, we gotta cut this down.
Yeah, I got the tool right here. Here, yeah.
Beautiful. Gonna go turn the water on inside. Protect your feet at all times, boys.
The bathroom, you said he was oiling his baseball glove?
That's why you always do the hose first. You know the grime outside. Hot water next. Cold water. You should do the tub first. I should have did the tub first. Today's spotlight, Wally Concrete. You're going dry fast, huh? The good life right there. Where you at, John? You missed a good one. We're gonna be here all day. Look, Marty almost fell. See, if you were here, you wouldn't have fell.
We were able to tie in where we were.
I know, dude. That looks pretty.